to GreenOvations startup. We are extremely privileged, sir, on the eve of Utkal Divash. You always stand tall with innovation, betterment of Utkal Pradesh, if I count that never ending. मेरा सत नमन, sir. Today hall is full of the green hearts. Respected Tapan Kumar Chandji, Director General, AIC NITF, Mr. Pavan Kumar Gupta, Joint Director, MSMEDI, Government of India, Mr. S.N. Das, Assistant Director, MSMEDI, Government of India, Mr. Kamal Khan Sahu, Director of FIEO, Ms. Sanjukta Badhai from Startup Odisha, Mr. Tilachan Panda, Managing Director, Gridco Limited, Rotarian First DGN Jayashree Mohanty, President of Luminous Infowars, Dr. Sunanda Mr. Panda, Founder of Kansa Center of Community Canada, Rotarian J.K. Mohanty, CEO of Susti Group, CA Sunita Mohanty, Chairperson of FIKITLO, Ms. Kavita Gupta, and Dr. Nalini Patri, President of Odia Samaj, Australia. I, on behalf of GreenOvation, welcome you all. I have been privileged today to introduce the GreenOvation. Is one-stop solution to your organic and eco-friendly lifestyles. We truly believe in trust, transparency, technology, transformation, and tonic, which leads to a hassle-free society and healthier India. With a vision of making people easily adopt the organic and eco-friendly products, the GreenOvation aims to remove the single use of plastic in organic products by 2025, making its lifestyle brand that gives back to Mother Nature. Today, GreenOvation is recognized by Startup India, Startup Odisha, MSME Udyam, FIEO. GreenOvation was incorporated on 18th May 2021 and is to financial transaction from November 2021. Today, GreenOvation is having 200 plus D2C retail customers with more than 70% of recurring customers across the city of Bhubaneswar. If we talk about B2B, currently it's having more than 16 customers where more than 80% are recurring customers. In the last 8 months, GreenOvation is having 50 plus SKU products we have placed to increase our offline sales by making our reach available at more than 5,000 stores across the country in this financial year of 2022 and 23, where the GreenOp model is considered to contribute the most. GreenOp will not only provide employment, but it would come with empowerment and Atmanirbharta in the daily life of especially the able people and transgenders, definitely underprivileged. GreenOvation is also talking with many big brands for their presence with at least one product at their store route, which some famous chains are Framecraft, Naturals, and few more. GreenOvation aims in this financial year to reach out to popular school chain with their unique proposition where easy gardening kits would be provided for the students to develop an interest in the nature. Along with this, GreenOvation is also looking forward to enabling to the schools to ban single use of plastic. On behalf of Team Inauguration, I'd like to thank all of you for your presence, which is definitely going to motivate the entire startup community. So, renew the spirit of life and make the phrase start. There is an ancient proverb which tells us no matter how long the winter or spring is true to follow, there is no thing in the world, no race, no community, no culture and warmth for this beautiful season. Similarly, we too have to come here to play our role in several relationships. Our act divine rejuvenate the soul and lives it out, despair and bondage. So with this quote, I'd like to wind up, जितना आप प्रकृति के ओर जाएंगे, उतना ही आपके ओर वो आएगी। हवा के झोंका से आजाद रहना सीखो। तुम तो एक दरिया हो, लहरा के भूल पाएगा एक शाम ये है। ये है उत्कल, ये है उत्कल, ये है उत्कल प्रदेश। वंदे उत्कल जननी।